So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up and use Tailwind CSS in your React Vite project. So we'll go to the Tailwind CSS website, and there's a little catch here. So in the previous versions of Tailwind, the installation is almost same, but there's a little uh, what I can say, there's a little change here in version V4, like V4.0, and this is the latest version which I will be showing you. So let's go to the get started button, and yeah, as you can see, there's a little catch here. Using Vite has its own separate tab here. In earlier versions, it used to be under framework guides, but yeah, we will be using Vite. And as a plugin, we'll be adding Tailwind CSS into it. So yeah, let's get straight to the work. And if I go to this folder, let's make a new folder, tutorial, and let's name it Tailwind tutorial. Okay, and I'm using Hyperterminal, but you can use any terminal of your choice, whether you are using your PowerShell or any terminal which you want to. If you are using Mac, use your own terminal. And if you're using Windows, you can use PowerShell terminal, or even you can use VS Code terminal also. So if I go to this folder and click on code, if I type this command, then this will open us up in this folder in VS Code. So yeah, it's been opened, and this is the folder. So we need to set up React with Vite. As we can see, we will be using React Tailwind as a plugin in Vite. So let's set up Vite first. So I'll be going to Vite documentation, and let's click on get started. And yeah, we can copy this, then pim create this command, and we can run this. Okay, so as you can see, I will run this command. So this will install our React project. So as we have already created a folder Tailwind tutorial, so I will be using this folder only. So I will type this command as the name, and we are creating React with JavaScript. So yeah, and then we have to run this command. So documentation is clear. You just need to follow them throughout the process, and this will take some time. So yeah, let's wait for it. So now it is done, and the other command is npm run dev. Yeah, so if we click on this, then you can see this is the basic React app. And now we will be setting Tailwind. So let's go to the folder structure, and you can see Vite config.js is there. So let's follow the steps to install Tailwind CSS into our project. So let's copy this command, which is given the first step, install Tailwind CSS. Let's go to this. This will install Tailwind CSS into our project, and let's check and confirm by going into package.json. You can see Tailwind CSS there. So yeah, it's done. Tailwind CSS has been installed in our project, but we are yet to follow the other remaining 4 steps also. So let's, in earlier versions, we used to have a tailwind.config file also, but in this version, we are installing it as a plugin using Vite. So we'll be making the changes in this Vite config only. So if we go to this, copy this, it's clearly mentioned. You can just go through the steps and clearly, like, easily follow the steps to install Tailwind onto your system. Yeah, it's done. And then the other step is add an import. Okay, add an import also. Third step is to import, go into src, go into index.css. You can follow these steps, which I am doing, to easily install Tailwind CSS into your system. Then it's done. We just need to run the server again. And if we go to this file, you can see it's done, but let's check and confirm, like, how is it running or not. So if we go to app.jsx and remove this, This is just a skeleton. So type this command rfc and let's type hello from India, and let's confirm. Yeah, it's there. And if we type something as like this, like text, conditions are not there. Text large, and if we type another class, text red 500. These classes are given in the documentation of Tailwind, so you can follow that and apply classes here. As you can see, this is how it looks after applying Tailwind. So yeah, it's simple and it is done. So you can follow these steps to get started with Tailwind CSS and use Tailwind CSS throughout your process and make awesome projects using Tailwind CSS. And one more thing is like if you are facing any trouble, then you can just go to Node.js website and install the latest version, LTS version for on your system. So this will solve the other issues. And make sure you have the Node installed in your system. But if you don't have it, or if you have it and still facing some issues, then you can install the latest version. So this will surely resolve your issues. Okay, thank you.